back. Today's video is going to be a video on some of my favorite skincare items that I've been loving lately, especially now we're in lockdown, like round 10. I've been trying to focus on my skincare and getting my skin back to 100. So I just wanted to show you guys some of the things that I've recently purchased and some of my favorites. Keep watching. So one of my all-time, I think this is like the top of my list for skincare stuff, is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I know it says it is for sleeping and it is a mask, but I don't really treat it like a mask. Like, it doesn't rub off, you don't wipe it off, you don't wash it off or anything like that. I literally use this all day long as soon as I wake up, before I go to sleep. Even my daughter loves this because she hates Vaseline, but my daughter loves this mask. It's like my #1 favorite thing. The only thing I don't like about it is putting my nails in it, but it does come with a little scooper. But it's very hydrating. This is a flavor grapefruit. This is one of my favorite things I love to use. So this is the Laneige Sleeping Mask. And because I love this so much, I also got the lip gloss to it. Because I love the lip balm so much, I got the lip gloss to it. And I got this one in Gummy Bear. This is the glossier version to it. It is a little bit cheaper than the pot version, but I also love this just as much. The only difference is with this, I would say, is it's not as moisturizing. Like, it doesn't last as long as this one, but I love this just as much as I love this. I wanted to try it out because it is a little bit cheaper and you can take this on the go with you easier. Like this, I've never left my house with this one. So this one is like one of my all-time favorites. The next thing on my list is these Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Peel wipes. So these come in 3 in a pack, or sometimes with Sephora you can get, I think, 2 wipes for like 100 points. They also come in a size up to, I think, 100 wipes. So it's like 3 months of wipes. I love these because they actually really do help with the texture of my skin and like even the pores in my skin. This is meant to help with fine lines, wrinkles, dullness, uneven texture, acne, and blemishes. So this is a 2-part step. There's a wipe 1 and a wipe 2, and you do them 2 minutes apart. They do tingle a little bit, but I love the tingle. I'm not gonna lie. To me, if I feel the tingle, that means it's working. But this has really been helping me with my acne and helping me smooth out my acne. I also find that, like, say I popped a pimple and I use this after, it'll help speed up the process of the healing and less scarring. Because I have had a lot of acne in this area, like hormonal and cystic acne, and a lot on my chin. For some reason, I don't really get a lot on this side, but it has been bothering me the last few years. I will insert pictures to show you how bad my skin was if I can find them. But this is also very helpful with texture, acne, pores, all of the above. So I definitely recommend this. Next thing on my list would be this absorbic acid and alpha arbutin serum from The Ordinary. This, I would say I recommend this to everybody I know that suffers from acne. This is like a game changer and it's so affordable. It's only $10. This also helps with acne scarring, dark spots, and like it's just a nice serum. I use this day and night. This helps to target dark spots, fine line, wrinkles, acne, and blemishes. And the alpha arbutin targets brightening, dark spots, and multiple signs of aging. So this is a go-to if you suffer from acne just like me. This does not burn at all. Like, you don't feel any sensation really from this. But I really do like this serum. I use it morning and night. I think this is like my 7th bottle. It's very affordable. It's $10 Canadian. So I recommend this to everybody that's having issues. And especially if you're new to The Ordinary, this is something really good to try to get your feet wet with their brand. Next thing on my list, this is another acne product. This is a Mario Badescu drying lotion. It almost looks like calamine lotion. I believe there is calamine lotion in this. For me, I put this on my acne overnight and it helps absorb any oils or anything that's sitting on my skin. I put it on with a Q-tip and let it sit. Sometimes I wear it during the day just because I notice it rubs off when I'm sleeping, but this is also good for acne. It says it helps to exfoliate and shed pore clogging dead skin, purifies pores, absorbs excess oil, and delivers a cool, soothing effect. So this is really good for blemishes, stuff that's active and just sitting on your skin, like if you have a whitehead, a blackhead, or for me, I get a lot of cysts with no heads. This helps to speed up the process as well and dry out from the inside out. Another thing that I've been using for years is this Glam Glow Super Mud Mask. This is one of my all-time favorite masks. I've also been using this for years. This mask, it comes in like 3 different sizes. I usually get the smaller size because I find if I get the bigger one, I don't use it enough and then it dries out and half of it goes to waste. Because once it's dry, you can't really re-moisturize it to put it back on as a mask. This clarifying mask has 6 exfoliating acids in it with activated charcoal to instantly and visibly clear pores and improve the complexion of normal, combination, and acne-prone skin. So for me, I find as soon as this mask comes off, you can see like your pores are like not as apparent as they were before. You can feel the tingling as the mask is drying down. It's so hard to move your face once it's on. But I love this mask hands down. It's like one of my favorite and I would recommend it if you're suffering from acne. Another mask that I like to use is the Salicylic acid mask from The Ordinary. This is made for blemish prone skin and this helps with if you have any texture or raised skin or any like bumps from any acne afterwards. This helps with removing any of that and making your skin look back to normal. So I use this in like a rotation with the Glam Glow mask and this is about $12, so I really love this. The next thing that I love that I made a big part of my skincare journey and my acne journey was this glycolic toner from The Ordinary. This honestly speeds up the process of your scarring and any pimples that you have popped almost like 50%. Like if I popped a pimple and I put this on tonight, the next morning it's dried down, ready to like scar and ready to like dry out. So this I really love. This helps with exfoliating for radiant skin and visible clarity. It improves the appearance of skin texture with continued use. This 100%, I've recommended this to a few of my friends that have textured skin. This makes a big difference if you use it regularly. But you should only use this at night because if you use it during the day, you can get sunburn going outside. So that's just something to note about this. I don't really use this in the morning. I usually use this at night. But this is another favorite, especially for acne. If you're somebody like me that's a pimple popper, I like to pop them just to get the process started. It's really bad. I do get a lot of scarring, as you could see. But I like to pop them just to get them out of the way. I can't have like something sitting on my face and it's burning and itching. I pop them and then put all the stuff on it that I need to put on it to keep them moving. So I definitely recommend this as well. The thing that I've been loving is this Drunk Elephant, the retinol cream. I use this morning and night. It says apply a pea size morning and night. If you use it during the day, I would recommend using sunscreen just because it does affect your skin. It helps with a lot of texture and blemishes and dark spots. It literally flips your skins over and helps restore the surface and helps with dark spots. And this is just something that I've had in my skincare journey a long time. I really recommend retinol to everybody. This is for the 1%, and as you know, retinol also helps with wrinkles and texture, dark spots, acne, any skin concerns really. And I've never had a reaction to retinol. I would say start every other day if you're new to retinol, just because it can dry out your skin and give you flakes. Another thing I like to use at bedtime, it also has retinol in it, is the Luna Night Sleeping Oil from Sunday Riley. I do love a lot of her products. This helps with reducing the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting the signs of premature aging and redness. I use this at bedtime. This literally instantly plumps your skin, makes it look smoother and healthier and hydrated. And this also helps with your acne, scarring, and bumps and texture. And this is an overnight oil. So I love this, recommend this. And this is about $70, I believe, and it comes in a bigger size. So definitely try this out. I've been using heavily again. I think this is like my second or third bottle. This is called Good Genes, and this is also from Sunday Riley. This is a lactic acid treatment, and this helps with dullness, uneven texture, dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles. So for me, I got this for after my acne has died down and all of my scars are fresh. This helps with hyperpigmentation and dark spots. I use this morning and night. I love this. It instantly gives you like a plump feeling and gives your face like a fresh, glowy vibrancy. Like every time I put this on, it looks like I have a fresh skin, fresh face. So I definitely love this. It is a little bit pricey. I would recommend getting this during one of their VIB sales just because it is a little bit pricey, but it's so worth it. This is like my third bottle. So definitely try this out. Another thing that I can't live without is the Sephora wipes from their Sephora collection. These are the charcoal ones. This is a pack of 10 and I love these. They are exfoliating, so they do have a little texture, but I like the feeling of wiping my face and then doing it again knowing that everything's coming off. So usually these are on sale, so keep an eye out for them, but I do love these wipes just because they're a cute little size and I can throw them in my bag, take them anywhere, and I do like them. I've been buying these since I used to work there, and these help with detoxifying your skin. So after a long day of wearing a full beat, these are good. I love these. Another thing I recently purchased was this Supergoop Play Everyday Lotion Sunscreen. I recently went on vacation. I actually loved this sunscreen. It didn't leave me a white cast, didn't roll up on my skin, wasn't itchy or smelly. I just love this. And it was SPF 50, so this, I would definitely recommend this because it is hard to find sunscreen for black girls, because we all know when we were younger we used to turn gray from sunscreen. So I would definitely recommend this, especially with all the skincare items that I've mentioned and the things that I've been using, especially like retinol and glycolic acid. You definitely need to protect your skin every day. Wear sunscreen every day because it will damage your skin. It's like you're fighting two battles. You're gonna help get rid of dark spots, but then not wear sunscreen that will make it darker. So definitely wear your sunscreen. So those are my top 10 favorite things that I've been loving recently from Sephora. They help me with my acne and so much more. If you have any suggestions, leave them down below. But I will leave the links down below and some descriptions on some of the products. Thank you so much for watching.